designed for boardrooms, conference rooms, and lecture halls, or any kind of medium to large meeting environment. A multi-in-one solution to simplify AV integration and control that keeps your meetings running smoothly. Integrates all your different AV content sources into one compact box. And even includes bi-directional streaming between local and remote sites. Plus, with 0-second switching among sources, it ensures your meeting runs efficiently. Share and compare content with multi-view modes to inspire creativity and boost productivity. For a larger meeting, Moderator Mode allows you to control the output of Display B discreetly and without interrupting the meeting flow. What's more, you can integrate with various ATEN devices to easily manage the meeting space. Simply show up and start presenting from anywhere, facilitating seamless distance-free collaboration. VP2730. Also available for meeting rooms and classrooms, the ATEN VP1920.